still solving equations, but they're going to look a little different today. They're going to be literal equations. In other words, there's going to be more than one variable. There's going to be more than one variable. You're going to be asked to solve for a specific variable. If you would please title your notes. Today is August 31st. On the top of your notes, let's put today's date, August 31st. And let's title our notes. We're still solving equations, so if you want to put under that category, you can. But more specifically, these are called literal equations. I'll write that in. We're solving for specific variables. So in this first example, we have C equals pi r, pi times r. And they're asking us to solve for r. So think about what operation you're doing. What are you doing between pi and r? Multiplication. And what undoes multiplication? Division. So we'll divide both sides by pi. Divide both sides by pi, and we are left with r equals c divided by pi. We're solving the equation just like we would with numbers. Same operations. Second example, I equals PRT. That means P times R times T. This is the interest formula, actually. I equals PRT, and then it says 4T. That tells you what you're solving for. So I want to get T by itself. So I need to undo multiplication. I need to get rid of the P and the R. And we know what undoes multiplication here. Division. Now instead of dividing by P and then dividing by R, you can do it all at one time. Divide them both. Divide by P and R. T equals I over P. But this one, we have M equals N minus 2 all divided by 3. And they didn't specify a variable, but I'm going to tell you let's solve for N. But it makes sense to solve for M. Solve for N. Solve for N. So you guys need to tell me, do you undo the subtraction here with a minus 2? Or do you undo the division with a 3 first? I agree. Do you remember how to determine? Do you remember PEMDAS? Typically we do addition and subtraction. When we solve an equation, we typically do it backwards, don't we? Now this is one of those special cases where you aren't going to do addition and subtraction first. Here we would do our division first. Okay, this is one of those special cases. So let's get under the division with what? No, by 3. Because you're subtracting the 2 times, not multiplying. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3. That'll clear out my fraction. That leaves me with 3m equals n minus 2. Now what do we do to solve the equation for n? Add 2. N equals 3m plus 2. And remember, you can't add the 3 and the 2 together because, why? They're not like terms. Okay, good question. When we multiply by 3, those 3's are going to cancel each other out. So, no, you wouldn't actually. So I'm really doing 3 divided by 3. I would have to do my division here before. So it's like 2 What?
So it's like
Yes, because when you simplify this, 3 divided by 3, that really would just leave you with a 1 there. And so technically you're multiplying by 1. Good question. How about this one? Y equals 1/4 x minus 12. What should I do first? Should I undo the multiplication or the subtraction? Subtraction. Remember we said PIMDAS? That last example that we did was a special case where we had to take care of a multiplication first. That was a special case. But typically you're going to do your addition and subtraction first when you solve an equation. You're using inverse order of operations. You're using a backwards. So we would start by adding 12. So we have y plus 12, remember they're not like terms, so we can't put them together, equals 1/4 x. Now, in the next step, normally people would say they would tell me to divide by 1/4, but we don't like to divide by a fraction. What is a better alternative?
Just multiply by the reciprocal.
So dividing by a fraction, we can multiply by the reciprocal. And what is the reciprocal of 1/4? 4 for 1 or. Now, when I multiply the left side of my equation by 4, I do need to put it in parentheses. I can multiply the whole thing. So we're leaving with x equals. I'm going to distribute my 4. Typically, this is what I have. 4 times the quantity of y plus 12. But I want to go ahead and simplify this a little bit. Let's distribute 4y plus 4y plus 8. What time does the bell ring in here? 10 till? Is that right? 10 till? I want to do one more with you. One more. Last one here. Copy this example down, please. Alright, we're solving for C. There's a lot going on here. Suggestions, thoughts. What would you do first? We could, yeah, the suggestion was we can distribute. Let's distribute, we can do that. BC minus BD. Okay, now what? Solving for C, remember, okay? Okay, let's add BD, that'll work. Add BD. Subtract A, that would be a good next step. BC equals E plus BD minus A. None of these are like terms, so can't combine them. Divide by not BC, but divide everything by guys, we are coming up on a quiz pretty quickly in here. It looks like tomorrow is your quiz. Tomorrow, when you come to class, we'll create our homework and we'll review quickly before we take our quiz. be over anything we've covered since last Monday. Section 1.1 through 1.3, if that gives you any hint. So order of operations, properties of numbers, classifying numbers, simplifying expressions, solving equations. Those are all fair game for your quiz. Like I said, we'll review briefly, very briefly. And in here, typically when we finish the quiz, we will move on. You won't have as much time as you need to take the quiz. We're going to kind of move you along because you guys are in algebra 2 now. So just be ready for that when we get to that point. Today's lesson, guys, was just about solving equations. There was just more than one variable. Just like you were doing previously last week. I do have an assignment which is going to be on a worksheet. I would put your work on a separate sheet of paper. There's not quite, or you can put it on the back side. Please don't try to cram it in. It doesn't have room. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna change this around a little bit. We're not gonna do all of these. Just one. Okay. 1 through 6. Let's do the evens only. Evens only. 1 through 6, evens only. 7 through 10, evens only. 11 through 14, that's just name of the property. You can do all of those. 15 through 22, let's do evens only.
And then 23 through 26.
15 through 22, we're doing evens, right? 15 through 22, we're doing evens. And then 23 through 26, we're going to do all of those. 23 through 26, we're doing all. So, we're doing evens except you're doing all on 11 through 14. And you're doing all on 23 through 26. Okay. I cut it down a little bit so you guys have no excuse. Let's see if your advice if you have any questions as well. Let's go ahead and get started. You do have a few minutes here. Like I said, I put it on a separate sheet of paper.